Here's my cute dog, Penny. Back here in my room with my dog. Wait, Penny, are you a good girl? Anyways, thanks for watching this video, part 2 of 2. Just showing you guys how damaging even a minor severe thunderstorm can be, and the damage it can make. You saw there were some pretty, not large trees, but some bigger trees that were falling down. And I've seen some pictures that my mom showed me on Facebook of huge trees that had actually fallen down from the same storm. So you just want to be careful and always keep a way of communication with you, like a phone or weather radio or whatever you need to get those warnings, because it can actually help. If you had been outside during that, you would not have liked it. So anyways, thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, hit the notification bell icon, so you can see Penny and other videos about storms and stuff like that. So see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.